Hello guys, welcome to WayTech Society Python tutorials. Well, last week we learned how to write a simple program to determine whether or not a number is even. Now we're going to learn how to write a simple program to determine whether or not a number is odd today too. Um, uh, odd numbers are directly opposite to even numbers, so uh, the first thing to do is to ask the user to input the number as last we did with the even numbers. So let's do that. Number is equal to what? Let's use float input make sure you shrink your statement inside the inputs. Let's say input, okay, enter a number, simple as that. That's all. And the next thing to do is to pass an if statement to determine whether or not the number is odd. So let's do that. If last time we said last time we said odd numbers are numbers when divided by 2 has no remainder or the remainder is equal to 0. So we use that one to figure out or to determine whether or not the numbers were even or not. Now this time, since odd numbers are directly opposite to even numbers, this time it means when you divide the number by 2, the remainder should not be equal to 0, but it should rather be equal to something. And that something is what we don't know. So we just put it's not equal to 0, and that's all you just have to say, simply like that. So let's pass our if statement. If the number inputted by the user is not is when modulo divided by 2 is not equal to 0, what should it do? It should print the number is an odd number. You see, what if the person inputs a number that which when divided by 2 is equal to 0? What should it say to the user? It should have something to say to the user, and so that's what we're going to do. We should print to the user that the number the person has inputted is not an odd number. It's not an odd number. So let's run and see what happens. That's all about it. Let's run and see. Let's input 5 and see what it will tell us. 5. You see, the number is what? The number is an odd number. Okay, let's run again and input something like 2. Then see what happens. You see, the number is not an odd number. Let's put 5 and see what happens. Sorry, 9. For it test 5, put 9. The number is an odd number. So let's do something like 8 and see. 8 is an even number, so it will give us the number is not an odd number. Let's put something like 0. 0 is not also an odd number, so let's put 0 and see what happens. 0, the number is not an odd number. So that's all about writing program to determine whether or not the number is odd or not. So thank you very much for watching the video. If you really like the video and you'd like to get notified when we update or upload, please click on the bell icon, and please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. To our next video. Bye.